are the essential building blocks of your website. Our templates are fully designed. However, the layouts are unlocked and fully customizable with the use of modules. You can add, move, or delete anything with a simple drag and drop. It's easy. Just click on the Modules tab on the left menu bar, and then choose a module that you would like to add to your page. Find, click, drag, and drop the module where you would like it to be placed. Again, find, click, drag, and drop. Each module has formatting options that appear when you click on that module. Here, I can choose the style and size of the font of my title, look at color options, and even change the text positioning on the page. Now, what if I'm not happy with where I placed this title? No problem. Hover over the module until you see a grab bar appear in the top center. Click and hold that grab bar and move it wherever you like. Want to duplicate the module? Well, that's easy too. Just hover and go to the top left corner to click the copy button. Voila! Now you have 2 titles. Still not happy with the added modules? Simply hover and click the X in the top right corner to delete it. Easy, right? Though keep in mind that once you delete a module, you cannot bring it back. So just be sure that is really what you want to do. We have individual step-by-step help guides for how to add and format each of bookmarks. If you have more specific questions, I would encourage you to check them out. Also, you can check out our focuses before adding individual modules if you want to add entire sections to your site. Like modules, you would click on the Focus tab in the left menu bar for reference. Focuses are pre-built sections that include multiple modules that may save you some time. They include sections like Contact Us, Content Style Blocks, even event registrations and price tables. More details on focuses can also be found in our Help Guide section and on another how-to video. For now, that's a wrap on how you can use modules while making your